Hello friends. If you make vlog videos, so this video is for you because today I will tell you 5 transitions pack which will be available in Kinemaster store, which you can use in your videos to make your videos look professional. So let's start the video. The name of the first transition pack is Clockwork, so let's see the preview videos of some transitions. The name of the second transition pack is Brush Lapse. In this you will see 6 transitions. So let's take a look at the preview of the transitions. The name of the third transition pack is Light Leaks. In this you will get to see only 2 transitions. So let's watch the preview video of this too. The name of the fourth transition is Zoom Switch, and in this you will get 18 transitions. So let's take a look at some previews of the transitions. The name of the fifth transition is Light Blur. There are a total of 6 transitions in it, so let's see the preview of this last transition as well. Hope you liked all the 5 transition packs. So let's meet now in the next video.